Welcome to our GPU Showdown. Today, we are diving deep into a comparison between two powerful graphics cards. The MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 3060/12GB and the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 Ti-Eagle OC. In this video, we'll explore their performance, pricing, and technical specifications to see which one comes out on top. Whether you're a gamer looking for the best value or a tech enthusiast wanting to understand the latest advancements, this video is for you. The MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 3060 is built on the Ampere architecture, which has been a staple for mainstream gaming since its release. It offers a solid balance of performance and efficiency, making it ideal for 1080p and 1440p gaming. In contrast, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 Ti utilizes the newer Blackwell architecture, which brings significant improvements in performance and power efficiency. This generational leap allows the 5070 Ti's to handle higher resolutions and more demanding games with ease, making it a top choice for enthusiasts looking for cutting-edge technology. When it comes to pricing, the MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 3060 is positioned as an affordable option at just $309. This makes it an attractive choice for gamers on a budget who still want solid performance. On the other hand, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 Ti comes with a premium price tag of $819. While it offers superior performance, this higher cost may be a barrier for some users. It's essential to consider what you need from a graphics card and whether the additional investment in the 5070 Ti's is justified for your gaming experience. In terms of memory, the MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 3060 features 12 GB of GDDR6 memory, which is ample for most gaming scenarios and ensures smooth gameplay at 1080p and 1440p resolutions. Conversely, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 Ti boasts a whopping 16 GB of GDDR7 memory, providing even greater bandwidth and performance for high-resolution gaming and demanding applications. This difference in memory not only affects performance, but also future-proofs the 5070 Ti for upcoming games that may require more VRAM. In conclusion, both the MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 3060 and the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 Ti have their strengths and weaknesses. The RTX 3060 offers excellent value for budget-conscious gamers, while the RTX 5070 Ti provides cutting-edge performance for those willing to invest more. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your gaming needs and budget. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like